Hello you guys, welcome to the Scalping-Algo. Today I want to introduce you guys the new indicator. We use as one for every day on scalping, option trading or future trading. So we call this indicator E8 Fighter. What is that? How many? What is function on this indicator? I will show you guys. The first indicator we call that chain engine with background color chain parentheses. So you guys, when I turn on this one, you guys can see that very basic, right? The background from the green go to the red. Green, that mean up chain. The red, that mean down chain. Okay, you say very clearly here is go to down the red. When moving from the green chain to the red chain, that means the chain from the bullish coming to the bearish. Okay, the green chain or engine, that means the candle moving up. But when they change the color from the green chain to the red chain, that means the candle from bullish go to the bearish. Okay, very simple. So I open the chart for QQQ and the time frame is 3 minutes and 5 minutes. It's very exactly for help you guys know what is the trend right now on indicator. The next thing I use that one for every day for the very basic indicator in trading is EMA 13. Okay, but our in the EMA 13 line here, so you guys the two color. Okay, EMA green and EMA red. Green that mean bullish trend, the red that mean bearish trend. Okay, let me and the last one is the last one, but I want focus that one is because I use that one every day and I make a lot of money on this function is NG dog. What do you mean NG dog? NG dog that means confirm for trader know they go into bearish or bullish in next 3 or 4 candles. Okay, so I switch to the 3 minutes candle. Yep, you guys see here, very simple. Here the Dow chain is confirmed by the red dot. So usually I get in here for after the retest with the EMA 13 and confirm with the red dot for the Dow chain and confirm the red chain on chain engine. So perfectly I will get input here if I trade option right here. You see, very simple, right? I just use three function of the indicator every day. That one is chain engine, dog, and EMA 13. So simple. And one more function if you want to use this one and confirm more signal for holding longer, I recommend you use enable end signal. That means the color of candle. And you see this color candle here is the green color, that means the bullish, and red color here, that means the still bearish for the whole day. Okay, we have here red color candle. Yep, but I just use this one a couple of times, but for me and I'm professional trader, I just usually every day is 3 functions. This one NG dog, EMA 13 and background colors. That's enough for me. Thank you for listening.